Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Hello guys, my name is Foluke Daramola, the founder and African president Para Africa, Passion Against Rape and Abuse in Africa. I had a call from this platform that I had to come, and I am here. I founded Para about 8 years ago, but it was duly registered about 5 years ago. And what motivated Para was I was deflowered by a rapist. That was when I was in my teenage, 17 years precisely. Mo jẹ́ ọ̀kan tẹ́ pé mo súnmọ́ àgbà gan-an. Mo dẹ̀ máa ń bá àwọn àgbà ṣe, mo máa bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, mo máa mọ bó ṣe ń ṣe. And I have so much great love for my mother. Bóyá nítorí pé ó jẹ́ opó tó yẹ pé àti kékeré ni bàbá mi ti kú tó dẹ̀ ń tọ́jú wa. But aside from that, my colleagues, my older colleagues àwọn àgbàlagbà yẹn, àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan mi ò ní fẹ́ dárúkọ wọn. They will call me and ask me, ọmọ mi, bá mi send 5,000, bá mi send 2,000. Ó wá jẹ́ nǹkan ìbànújẹ́ fún mi, kò ṣe pé bóyá èmi náà ní owó yẹn tó pọ̀ mọ́, ó wá jẹ́ nǹkan ìbànújẹ́ fún mi pé àwọn tó yẹ pé ìgbà tí wọ́n wà ní èwe wọ́n ti fi èwe wọ́n ti fi ṣiṣẹ́ fún Nàìjíríà. Àwọn ló jẹ́ káwa àwa tá a wà ní Nollywood tá à ń jèrè Nollywood lẹ́nìí, àwọn ló jẹ́ ká lè rí nǹkan jèrè, àwọn ló jẹ́ ká lè rí nǹkan bá. So ìyẹn ti ń kọ mí lómi lọ, mo ti rò pé kí ni mo lè ṣe bí mo ṣe ka interview bàbá Àgbákò ni tí bàbá yẹn sọ wípé ẹni tí ó bá wọ àǹkárá pẹ́rẹ́ tó ń bá kú pé spirit òun máa haunt onítọ̀hún. And I thought to myself, why are we not celebrating these veterans when they are alive? Another incident, recently, about 3 or 4 weeks ago, one saw lórí TV wípé ìyàwó Zebudaya, Clara or something, maybe she was ill or something, and some people were carrying the rumor that she was dead, and they were just carrying it everywhere. But later, the woman came out to say she was not dead, that she's alive. And I thought to myself that why do we like to celebrate people when they are dead? Can't we celebrate them while they are alive? And I started the project. Even though I didn't know that it was going to be this big, because èmi náà kò ń ṣe pé bóyá èmi náà ní gan-an tó yẹ pé bóyá mo á lè ṣe irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, but ìgbà tí mo ti wà neck deep in it tán, mo pe àwọn corporate organizations, mo pe individuals, mo pe ìjọba, mo pe everybody wípé kán ràn mí lọ́wọ́, but mo kàn rí pé help yẹn, it was little next to nothing. Àwọn tó ràn mí lọ́wọ́ bá àwọn díẹ̀ tọ́kọ̀ pé let me just do this. Even people that I would have thought that should have embraced the project were not on the same page with me. And I told myself that I was going to do this. I had to do a lot of borrowing, I had to do a lot of lending, because I knew that it was going to bring me satisfaction. Kí n rí ẹ̀rín ní ẹ̀kẹ́ àwọn people to celebrate these people. Gbogbo ala máa ń travel abroad, a máa lọ sí America, a máa lọ sí London, a máa lọ gba award, a máa lọ ṣe. Àwọn people yìí wọn ò ní opportunity yẹn. So the only thing I could do for them in that age, in their ages, is to do my little bit and make them happy. That's why I just didn't give them money. It wasn't like the money I gave them it wasn't anything fantastic. You understand? Even though it came in category, the ones that I felt that were still active a bit to act, the money was not as much as àwọn tó yẹ pé mo rí pé they had issues that were pending. You understand? But I just thought that let me celebrate these people. Let me have a party for them. You understand? I celebrated my own Christmas with them. You understand? And I knew that at the end of the day, I would find fulfillment in what I was doing. So, and because when people say, okay, you are the president of Para, so how does Para affect what I'm doing? But what a lot of people don't understand is a form of abuse, a psychological abuse to you is for you kò ti ṣiṣẹ́ láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ ẹ̀ kó wá di alẹ́ ọjọ́ ẹ̀ kébi alẹ́ máa pa ẹ́ Ọlọ́mọ yẹ kí ebi alẹ́ pa wá. Tí ebi alẹ́ bá pa èèyàn nìyẹn máa mọ̀ wípé èèyàn máa feel bẹ́ẹ̀ pé bóyá bí kí èèyàn kú. Ẹlòmíì kó lọ commit suicide, ẹlòmíì ń yarọ, oríṣiríṣi ń dá sí lára in the process. So I needed to face that form of abuse in their life. Since the government so far had not been able to have a scheme to support these people that did not plan like we are. Our colleagues me wọ́n support ẹ o. Ìgbà tí mo bá President Tampan sọ, Mr. Latin, wọ́n ṣàdúrà. Ìfà òye kan wá lọ́jọ́ yẹn, but wọ́n ní wọ́n dùn wọ́n ní wípé that's why he couldn't come. Then I spoke with Barrister Femi Adebayo too, and he was of the opinion that anything that would work is fine by him. And àwọn tó wà ní team mi, Toyosi Adesanya, Bisola Badmus, Bose Bello, we all came together. Gbogbo wa pátápátá, gbogbo wa la struggle wípé Ọpẹ́yẹmí Àríkẹ́ Ọ̀tàlẹ́nu. We all came together wípé we had to support one way or another. But mo máa ń sọ nǹkan kan wípé to every actor there's a theme. Oníkálùkù ló mọ theme tó ń fẹ́ tó impact. I am not one person that blames people for anything, because for instance, one of my colleagues, she has a foundation that is on widows. Àwọn oníkálùkù ló ní nǹkan táwọn oníkálùkù ń ṣe for each point in time. Maybe they didn't think about it in the perspective that I have thought about it, and that is why tá a ṣe wà kan function orí ó yàtọ̀ sí function ọrùn ó yàtọ̀ sí function ọwọ́, you understand? But in the course of the fact pé mo ti relé yín sí, I believe that gbogbo wa náà la máa fi gbá tó bá ti di next year tó bá fẹ́ ṣe ń sìn, gbogbo wa náà la máa gbárùkù tí pé okay àbóyá veteran ilé wà nínú ibì kan ìyà ń jẹ eléyìí o eléyìí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ sílẹ̀ mo nígbàgbọ́ wípé ó máa tún bigger ju eléyìí tá a ṣe, kò dẹ̀ tún wá ní wọ̀ mí lọ́rùn bí ó ṣe wọ̀ mí lọ́rùn ní first year yìí. Mo gbàgbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. We are not releasing Kasumu'S details, not because we are wicked, but because we understand wípé nítorí pé àwa àti fi Kasumu sílẹ̀ that long òun ló jẹ́ kí situation Kasumu rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Now if everybody focuses on Kasumu, at the end of the day gbogbo àwọn àgbàlagbà tó kù tó wà tó over 45 yẹn, all of them will just be stranded again, and then máa tún wá dé stage wípé bí wọ́n di next year again àtúwárẹ̀ tí condition ẹ̀ tí wọ́n á dàbí ti Kasumu yẹn lọ́ọ́ má jà rí tó yẹ pé ẹ̀ máa sọ pé yẹn ní ẹlẹ́fẹ́ donate fún. No, we don't do things like that. By my own in my own organization, what we are looking at is para is first para. Also, what we are doing in para is for individuals to adopt a veteran. Adopt a veteran, how do I mean? Contribute to a veteran's life every month. Kò gbà bí iṣẹ́ kò gbọ́ nínú oṣù yìí o a máa send oye báyìí sí para o, para máa send oye báyìí sí veteran yìí o. Tí bá lọ pé kí n send the account details pa Kasumu àbí kí n send the contact pa Kasumu, the whole essence of the event is defeated, because it's not only pa Kasumu that has a need. Baba Femi Koko wants to go for an operation, he needs 30 million, maybe because the camera was not so much on him on that day. Sadiq Daba was only given oxygen machine by Femi Otedola. He still has to eat, he still has to survive, and bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ gbogbo àwọn people he touched tó wà that act mi wà tó sick Okuma get sick and a host of others. So at the end àwọn èmi wà sẹ́ pé wọn ò rí oúnjẹ jẹ, tí ẹlòmíì ò bá tẹ́gbẹ̀lẹ́gbẹ̀ ò bá rí oúnjẹ jẹ nǹkan mi lè wọ̀. So my people, I love the fact that you are sympathetic towards Kasumu, but it is for us to understand we should nip it in the bud for the rest of the veterans that are here. Situation wo ti worth me Kasumu yìí ẹ má jẹ́ kó dé stage Kasumu Kasumu ń pè án láti ṣe nǹkan kan. And the reason for this is because what we are going to do in para is for anybody that is supporting any veteran at each point in time. I'll be working with this team to come back to okay o ẹni báyìí fún ẹni Kasumu lóye báyìí o ẹni báyìí fún bàbá Fèyí Kọ́gbọ́n lóye báyìí o ẹni báyìí fún ẹni báyìí lóye báyìí o. And we have a platform which is adopt a veteran. If you adopt, and unfortunately 3 people cannot adopt one veteran, you understand? one person can adopt a veteran if there's a pending need, where operation, where we can now say, okay, I'm a dawo jo, I'm a owó ìdáfẹ́ dájọ́, to be there, to be able to be active on screen, you understand? And then the stipends, every month stipends, why each individual, we have about 45 of them, we see. Each person ma okay mo èmi fẹ́ mú Ògúnmájẹ, èmi fẹ́ mú bàbá Ọlọ́fàná, èmi fẹ́ mú bàbá Peter Fatomilola. At the end of the day, ẹ jẹ́ kó máa jẹun nísìn tí wọ́n lè jẹ dáadáa, tí wọ́n lè ṣàdúrà, tí okùnú wọn tó máa ṣàdúrà fún gbogbo wa. You understand? So ẹ má jẹ́ ká miss the point. I'm not saying Pakasumu is not important. It's very, very important. But àwọn tó ti fẹ́ ṣe fún Pakasumu sí wọ́n ti wọ about 100. And at the end of the day, what happens to the rest of the other people? Ọjọ́ tá a máa ṣe nǹkan yẹn, I didn't give Pakasumu alone money. I didn't give Sadiq Daba alone money. I gave everybody. Ó kàn wá ní iye tó ní kálukú gbà ni. So I want us to adopt it as a principle, and then you have to go through para, because it's a scheme. It's a scheme. Very soon, we are still within it now. Very soon, we are going to have the official account for the pension scheme, non pension scheme under Stanbic IBTC. We are still in talks. One wá fún event yẹn, one wá wo event yẹn, one dẹ̀ wá wò pé what are we doing? So that at the end of the day, gbogbo ẹ̀ ló máa ní record. Oníkálùkù wọn kàn máa ní ATM card, wọn kàn máa lọ máa gba owó wọn níbi ATM ni. So that's that. So I want us to understand that we have to nip it in the bud for the rest of àwọn àgbàlagbà tó kù, because àgbàlagbà ni wọ́n. As much as possible, let us take it upon ourselves to help out. See it as you are sowing a seed into their lives. But Pakasumu, at the end of it, whatever you want to give to Pakasumu, send it to Para. We will put Para's account here after this interview, and do it to Para, and then monitor to see that the money that you sent will not be given to him or will be given to him. So that is our own point. I don't want us to, that is the focal point. I don't want us to meet the reason why this is existing, because after this year, another year is coming. I'm to share another event. Jẹ́ pé àwọn èmi jẹ́ pé wọ́n wà tẹ́ pé àti ẹ̀ tí rí irú bàbá Fádèyí Olóró. Bàbá Fádèyí Olóró was one of the reasons why I started this whole thing. Unfortunately, he was not able to make it that day. He's still under the weather. He still needs help. So at the end of the day, you cannot look I can take Baba Fádèyí, but because of the fact that I read Pakasumu, I understand. I cried myself too. You understand? But please and please, let us adopt other veterans. It's not restricted to Pakasumu alone. Although I don't run, you know, mama dagba, ni dagba ya, de nílò àgbà wa nínú àìsàn. Ọlọ́run máa wà pẹ̀lú gbogbo iṣẹ́ tá à ń ṣe báyìí. Àwọn tó wà lókè òkun tó wà nílùú yìí, ẹ máa jèrè iṣẹ́, ẹ ní ṣiṣẹ́ fún oníṣẹ́ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Àwa náà àwa ní kwàkùn tọmọtọmọ lórúkọ Jésù. Ẹ ṣé gan ni. To my fans, I'll say thank you very much. I love you all. If you were not there wouldn't be me out here. And I want people to understand something. I don't have money. In fact, what I did that day, some was out of loan, some were gifts. But if my joy is given, I want us, no matter how much, no matter how small it is, 2,000 naira, 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira, you can go a long way to helping somebody out there. Do not take it for granted. Ọlọ́run ti fún yín ẹ̀yin náà, share it and do for someone. And today, look for that veteran to adopt, and God will definitely bless it for you. Thank you. Hi guys, my name is Foluke Daramola, founder and president Para Africa Foundation. This is Facetv. Guess what? Para Africa Foundation is adopting Facetv as our official media group. And so for anything you want to know about Nollywood, about our veterans, about Para, come to Facetv and you would not regret watching it. Thank you.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV. Muswobi.